You see, shayateen and jinn both were subdued by Hazrat Sulaiman and Hazrat Daud, right? What sort of shayateen and jinn they were? They were made out of fire, if they are real jinns of the people's mind. Were they not? If they are jinns, which mullahs think they are, then they have to be made out of fire. How can you arrest fire in asfad? وَآخَرِينَ مُقَرَّنِينَ فِي الْأَصْفَادِ. Can you arrest fire in asfad? It's impossible. The fire will melt the iron or anything if it is bound in asfad and will be released. So Allah Ta'ala speaks again of the same things in the same terms, but in a manner that every sensible man should understand what is meant. They are people. They are not things made of a different substance. And the history tells us, you can see the pictures in the history of pharaohs and other great people, where people are chained and moved from one place to another to serve, to achieve great laborious tasks. And there, sometimes more than 100,000 slaves were bound in asfad to be carried to their work and then back. So the Quran is a beautiful book. It doesn't leave any room for doubt.